What noise does a lion make?
Right.
What noise does a monkey make? What is it? Wow. What's that, Zach? A dinosaur. What noise does a dinosaur make?
Right.
Oh! What's that noise? It's a peacock. Say peacock.
Cock.
Peacock. How majestic, hey? Peacock. Wow. What is it? It's a tortoise.
Swimming.
Well, kind of. It's how they walk. What do you think?
Oh, there's two.
It's a monkey. What is it, Zach? It's an ooh-ooh-ah-ah. Are you a monkey?
Yeah. Monkey.
Hey, mate, you alright? What is it?
The porcupine, it's right there.
What, the green thing? Flamingo! What is it, Zach?
Flamingos. Boy, 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 boy.
They're nippy, aren't they?
Look at
Jack!
the pelicans at the back.
Why are flamingos pink?
I don't know.
I know why flamingos are pink.
Why is it?
Because they eat shrimp.
Oh, really?
And it's the pink stuff in shrimp that makes them pink.
Hello. Whoa! Oh, babe, can we get a monkey?
You've got to.
Small.
On the sand. Go for a drink.
What was he doing?
Boy, 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 boy.
So you got to find some more?
Yeah.
Look at these ones.
Look, there's just a rabbit.
Are you going in, Zach?
No.
Go give him a cuddle.
That is pulling him in. We're pulling him over.
How cute.
Where's he eating?
Zach.
I got him.
Go on, do your wolf call.
Okay, that was a real live wolf.
Have we found any then? Have you actually spotted him? Where is he? Oh yeah. That's a stone.
It's not, it's a wolf, look.
It's not a wolf. It's a stone.
Oh, you can see his nose.
That's a stone.
Can you do a wolf cry?
I did it.
Wolf pack sound off. Ow!
I'm not carrying you.
Look at the birdies. They're gonna come and eat our sandwiches.
No. Sammy.
No sandwich.
I think we were better with an umbrella.
They're everywhere, Katie.
Get something to eat.
Yeah, this seems like a safe route. Zach! It's a peacock!
Fine then.
Wow, beautiful plumage. Well, I'm just upset that you didn't manage to get the fact that I got attacked by a seagull on camera.
Too busy panicking.
Oh wow, the children's farm. Look, you can play horse all day long, but the truth of the matter is, you can't see them all. What noise does a piggy make? Well done.
I'm making it up. I'm trying to break it up.
Curl them up towards that ball. She can feel which way the ball is moving. And using those whiskers, she can keep it nice and balanced. And she'll even wait from a clap from her trainer to pass the ball back. A big round of applause for Zana, everyone. Check out what Zana's doing with that front flipper of hers. And on the count of 3, I want you all to shout out what animal you think this is. 1, 2, 3! So Zana, what do you think there's a shark in the water? Absolutely right. You would swim to the nearest bit of land and hide yourself away. I think I would do the same.
Don't attract the tiger. If it comes over, we'll get eaten by a tiger.
Footprint of a person.
They're great.
That's
amazing.
Don't take a picture of it. It's gonna be angry.
Do you like the tiger?
Yeah. I'm not letting go of you. I want a piggy bank.
I can't breathe. It's
Mommy, I'm getting a piggy bank.
It's circling me. Oh. Can you say giraffe? What do you think? Dinosaurs.
Babies.
It's a trilobbly-bop. No, it's called a tribobbly-bip. It says tridibbloblis.
It says Triceratops.
This is expertise.
This is expertise, an area of expertise.
Kids, turn around.
Moving, boo.
She won't come to me.
These are the vegan ones, aren't they? You're a good vegan dinosaur. Wow. It's gonna get you.
Mommy, it's a trap.
Holy yikes, have you seen this, guys? It's an actual elephant. Look at that elephant there, he looks well happy.
He's
Oh, there's
scratching
a
his leg.
smiley, happy elephant.
Oh, he's got scratch. Scratch,
Hello, smiley elephant. Come on, up you go, have a look at the elephants.
Having a drink? Having a drink?
Oh,
Wow. Massive elephants. Not tiny elephants. Oh, they did that shirt on like shirts and like the single t-shirts. We've got those t-shirts.